Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 366th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of you a delicious Dalgona Whipped Coffee. I've been seeing this all over the internet and I said I'm going to give it a try making my own. And if you're a coffee lover, y'all going to love this drink. It is the bomb.com. It's going to be full of coffee flavor. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. You'll be in coffee heaven once you taste it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my beverage recipes playlist and my previous video, French toast casserole. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your hot water, your sugar, and your instant coffee sugar because we're about to make some Dalgona coffee magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 4 tablespoons of instant coffee. I'm using decaf or you can use the original. And make sure you use instant coffee because regular coffee won't work. And into our coffee powder, we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of white sugar. 4 tablespoons of really hot water. And I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of pure caramel extract. Going to give it a great flavor. And all we do is mix all these ingredients together until it's well combined on high speed. Alright my friends, this is what our whipped coffee look like. Nice and stiff. And that's how simple and easy it is to make Dalgona whipped coffee. Alright, so now I'm about to fix me up a cup. Alright my friends, in my cup I have some half and half, which is half milk, half heavy cream, and some ice. You can use any kind of milk, 2% milk or almond milk, whichever you prefer. And now we're going to take some of the whipped coffee and dollop right on top. And I'm also going to add a caramel candy on top. After all, I made this a caramel flavor, and I added some caramel extract into my half and half. And the straw. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Dalgona whipped coffee. Don't that look delicious? Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Cheers. Refreshing and creamy. This is marvelous, my friend. Please give this recipe a try. Y'all gonna love it, love it, love it. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Dalgona Coffee-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern Kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Much love and stay safe, my friends. Cheers.